got the finger to come over and chat with him. Well, the gentleman just called me over to say, hey, watch him unload. I'm not sure exactly what he's going to do. I think he's going to crawl up next to him and watch it. We'll see if I can I believe that's a Hillsider. Seems to be adjusting for the hills. Big heavy duty equipment. Too bad I'm on the wrong side of the sunshine. I guess the gentleman just wanted to know that there was about to be some activity. See, the John Deere is a 9300. Yep. Don't see any nomenclature on the combine. I'm sure it's there someplace, probably covered with dust. Gorgeous operation though. Okay, it's a 9860 STS. I guess Dad's gonna take a nap. It looks like the boss is driving here and the sun is out there. Well, time to pack up and head down the road. Well, I'm on another motorcycle excursion. There's Springer waiting patiently. Found a little shade for her. And this is downtown St. John, Washington. A saloon. A few shops here. I ate at a little cafeteria just right around the corner, the end of these buildings. I really like this building over here. St. John's Auto Body and Liquor Store. What a great combination. Let's hit the road. Well, here we are in the big city of Steptoe. They even got a post office, little fire station here. Mostly it's an outpost for the grain growers in the area. You can see an elevator there and more elevators over here. And you can tell you're in Steptoe because you can see Steptoe Butte way out there in the distance. An antenna farm. So I think we're going to head south from here down 195. Somebody with a little bit of grain. Anyhow, I wonder how many trips he makes a day. I've seen several combines working, but they've been quite a ways away from the road. It looks like most of the stuff that is close to the road has already been cut. So maybe I'm a day late and $1 short. Well, here's a Case IH doing some cutting. Heading up the hill. Right along 195 here, so we're going to hear some serious road noise in the background. All I need to do is hope I don't get whacked. Got a buddy, looks like coming up over the rise. I can see some smoke just up to the right. I don't know if he's coming this way or not. Not sure what this guy's going to do, if he's going to continue to do this little piece right here or what. We'll find out. Well, here comes the cavalry. Well, I guess I kind of maybe hit the jackpot here a little bit. Not only are they CIH combines, but they're going to be close enough to the road for me to get some shots. And you can see the other guy heading this direction. And for you guys that don't get to see much hillside action, this is it. And we've got another support vehicle here. And speaking of the devil, right across the road, we got another guy working at it. Lord knows how many I've passed because they were down in some coulee and I didn't see them on the way through. Not sure where this guy is going. Looks like he's gonna come across and hang a right, cutting in a circular pattern. See a big cylinder on this side. It's rotating. I don't know if it's, I don't know. Wouldn't even venture a guess. See what this guy does. Great shot of him, his gear all angled. I'm also fortunate that I seem to have the wind in my back. So Springer and I are not getting dusted, fortunately. With the wind just 1470. No, we're gonna do some unloading. Amazing how close he got to that truck without hitting it. Schulzen, Scholz, SCHOLZ. Definitely must take some power to get up and down these hills. Well, here we are along 195 south of Colfax, and I'm not sure what the heck those things, they look kind of like binders of some sort. I'm not sure. Maybe Mr. Palouse will be able to inform us. We'll find out. Over here we got a big Peterbilt, and up to the top you see a couple of big CIAPs. You see a smaller truck coming down here. We'll bring it down here because you can see there's a auger. Walk down and see if I can find out what's going on. Well, I guess that's our answer. Tandem axle trucks are running up and down the hill, bringing it from the combine down here. And I don't know if we can get much of a look at it, but we have 560, I'm guessing, running the auger. Pumping it up into the cup on the Peterbilt. Yeah, you can see up there the he's loading her up. Guess this is the most efficient way of doing it. Sure, it's not very easy to get this big hummer running up and down the hills if you could even do it. Pretty good stuff for me. I'm doing it. Like I say, don't know what that's going to be doing. Modern day binders. Prune Orchard Road, left quarter mile. I'd like to see this big peat take off. Oh, ask and ye shall receive. There we go. Don't know where you'd be heading to. Maybe up to Colfax. Maybe down to Pullman. This we got a much better shot of that. I'm guessing it's a 560. Well, we'll saddle up and walk a few more miles. Well, not only did I only get about 100 yards down the road, but I did a U-turn and went in the wrong direction. Saw this big guy coming down the hill. So I thought I'd get a shot of him. Catch an angle on that hill. Not sure if there's a level part of level bit of ground in this entire area, the Palouse of Washington. It's Friday, I think the 25th of August. Oh yeah, he's definitely got some angle on that bad boy. Definitely got some angle on her. Here, the tip of the uncut portion is right there. Presumably they'll be angling everything the other direction. Here's a guy combining, and you can see the highway. That's 195 over there, and I'm off on a little side road. It's at Whitman County landfill. The rare flat piece of ground here. And we must be getting close to Pullman. You can see the barn over there with the stylized cat's head, the Washington State Cougars in Pullman. Washington State University, their mascot. Guess we're not going to get any closer. Well, here we are at the city limits, I think, of Union. There's the speed limit 30 sign right down there. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it all, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4 combines going. A couple of economy-sized semis. And we've got a couple of CIH, I don't know what to call them, quad tracks. We got one sitting right in front here with a disc. And we got one behind the trucks with a big cart, and we got another one sitting off in the distance back there. You can see him just off the end of the that pup. Boys are having at it, and they better be looking busy. I honked the horn and waved, I didn't see Palouse anyplace. I stopped and caught a couple minutes of shade in front of the old bank building before the entire Colton Police Department came along in their sinister black cruiser and said, "Boy, we don't like your kind hanging around our town." So I left. Actually, he just waved courteously and carried on. We're definitely doing it in the police today, though. Yeah, it looks like that guy down there is going to work his way this way. If I had a nickel for every big honking grain truck I saw go by today, I'd be well, the combine's taken off. I'm not sure why I see so many half-completed fields around. I don't know if it gets tough or what the deal is. And that combine's slowly working his way this way. You can just see it's just miles and miles and miles of gently rolling hillside. Lots of people hard at work today. Well, I just passed this guy and he's kind of crawling along the road here. Probably going to get dusted. Case IH 8120. Doors on the front. I don't know what, 26, 30-foot head on there. A big one. That's an 8120. This is going to avoid the weeds. Number 3. Probably 3 of several combines. The group here. So looks like you can fall off out of sight. I just got a break from the wind. It feels like wind got my back. So I may not get dusted after all. Well, there's not a thing happening in Uniontown. Even Eleanor's Saloon is boarded up and got a for sale sign in the window. So I'm going to skip back through Colton, which is about